all, this is Harvey Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see in front of me I have iPhone 14 Plus and we have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So while we are here, we're gonna check which phone looks better in normal video, also in 4K and 8K video. Without any technical reference, this phone has better pixel resolution than iPhone 14, but in real life situation it could change. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to application YouTube in both the phone. So we have YouTube here in both of them. Let's start. Here we go. I can start with Skype. In both of them is Sky News. Normal version of Sky News. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3.
When something doesn't feel right, but convert to
both the phone, you can see the same news, same channel. So we'll play a little bit with light option. In Samsung, we're gonna put medium brightness. See, this is the medium brightness. Here we go. You see how vibrant and sharp this one. And iPhone, I put medium brightness. And you can see the clarity between both of them. To be honest, both look beautiful display. This one I see more color than iPhone. Now I will go to a 4K video. I put here 4K nature. So in this case, you see I have some video 4K Norway, both of them. Let's hit them together. Loading time is the similar. See the color of that, my God. Both of them, they look magnificent. There's no doubt. The color, although in Samsung I feel the color a little bit more in my naked eye, the iPhone looks better. So if I have to judge, I will go with Samsung in this case. Let's zoom it. Wow, magnificent. So Samsung S20 Ultra has a better pixel than iPhone in this case, but iPhone looks magnificent as well. Now we'll go to HK video. So both of them 8K, same time, 1, 2, and 3. The timing is exact, much identical, magnificent. So you guys can see how magnificent both the skin are. We'll check the quality. Now both of them in 8K, totally full. So what we're gonna do, we'll put the light total brightness. iPhone here, this is total brightness. And Samsung same time, total brightness. Okay, here we go, we take the rigs. So both the phone on the total brightness, I reduce here. Light of my camera, you can see the brilliant display, no doubt, more close to real, magnificent. So in this case, if you ask me which one I see better, I will go for both of them. I'm speechless. Both of them, they look magnificent and perfect in any circumstances. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.